bored after a while in a bath? I get bored.
Oh my God, I can't. Yeah, and then there's a point where you say, I'm too hot now.
Yeah.
Here's a question.
Hold on, I'm supposed to be asking the question.
And that,
So I'm interested to know about what your perception of New Zealand cuisine is. Do you have one?
it's one of the biggest issues that we're facing is plastic. We should be paying more money for our food, but just eating. So let's say we pay 20% more and ate 30% less.
So there's no rules anymore?
No, I think it's the beauty of food. It's become too judgmental. And this is where, to me, New Zealand still hasn't yet got to that stage.
Yeah.
And that is something really precious.
So a couple of snacks to start us off. The first one is a homemade pringle. And on top of that we have tara masalada. So we cure the whole hapuka roe overnight and then smoke it with manuka.
What would you cure it in?
Salt and sugar.
Salt and sugar?
Salt and sugar. So we got some fresh salmon eggs on top of that, some lemon and dill.
We covered an awful lot of subjects there.
In a big circle.
In a big circle, yes.